How to set tabs in MS Word. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can set the tabs in your Microsoft Office Word document. So by setting a tab means we will be determining the amount of the change in a particular text position whenever we hit the tab button. So for example, let's say for this particular paragraph, or let's say any particular paragraph in this particular document, if you will click onto any line, let's say the first line of this paragraph, and hit the tab button, you can see that this particular paragraph was shifted towards the right hand side by this particular amount. So in case if you want to change it to any particular or any specific length, or let's say or any other specific configuration, then what you can do is simply set the tab values. So in order to do this, simply right click over to the document, and then the next thing that you will need to do is you need to choose the paragraph option. So simply click onto this paragraph option, and you can see this dialog box that appears right here onto the screen. Now from here you can see at the bottom left corner of this dialog box this option of tabs. So simply click onto this tabs option, and here you go. From this dialog box you can determine the tab stop position, default tab stops, the alignment, and the leader as well. So let's try changing some values. Like for example, the current value is set to 1.27 centimeters. So let me quickly increase it to, let's say, 1.6, or even more, let's say 2 centimeters. And then I also have the option to choose a tab stop position, the alignment, and the leader as well. And once you are done with all of these settings according to your preference, you need to click onto this OK button. So when you can also click onto this set button if you have done any changes and the set button is available, and then you can click onto this OK button. So now if I go to the next line and press the tab button, you can see that the tab button has been successfully applied according to our specified changes. So that's how easily you can change the tab position or the tab configurations according to your preference in Microsoft Word. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.